మీ కెరియర్ బిగినింగ్‌లోనే ఇలాంటి లెజెండర్ యాక్టర్స్‌తో యాక్టర్స్‌తో పనిచేయడం అనేది అంటే వాళ్ళ టైంలో వాళ్ళకంత ఈజీగా అవ్వలేదు. అంటే ఈ ఎక్స్‌పోజర్ గానీ, ఈ అంటే మీ ఫేమ్ గానీ ఇదంతా. అంటే తక్కువ సినిమాలతోనే రావడం అనేది మీకెలా అనిపిస్తుంది? అంటే పెద్ద స్ట్రగుల్ లేకుండా అంటే చాలా ఈజీగా రావడం అనేది మీకు ఒక రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ పెంచుతుందా? దీన్నెలా తీసుకుంటారు మీరు?
Sir, nothing is easy, sir. Um, it is not seen, I can tell you. See, there are so many people are waiting to become an actor outside, and I've got the opportunity because of my director and my producer, and especially Kannada audience. And uh, my dad is a mechanic, sir. So I was into theaters. I did drama for 12 years. So I was in an institute called Abhinaya Taranga. There, my debut director AP Arjun had come. Then he selected me, saying, "Okay, let me select this guy." After, going to auditions, then I revealed my uncle is Arjun Sarja. Please come and tell the story to him. That is how I got into the industry. So nothing is easy, sir. And I'm really happy today because after many years, I can tell I have worked with the legends. That is Sanjay Dutt sir, Shilpa Shetty madam, and everybody, sir. So nothing is easy, not only for me. Nothing is easy for anybody, sir. All the actors have struggled in their own ways. So nothing is easy, sir. Thank you so much.
సంజయ్ సార్
ప్రేమ్ సార్. సో ఈ పర్టికులర్‌గా ధృవ సర్జా గారిని ఈ సినిమా తీసుకోవడానికి రీజన్ ఏంటి సార్? అంటే హీరోగా చాలామంది ఉన్నారుగా కన్నడలో హీరోస్. చాలామంది పాపులర్ హీరోస్, స్టార్స్ ఉన్నారు.
డిపెండ్ ఆన్ స్టోరీస్. అండ్ దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ చాలామంది ఉన్నారు. ఇండియాలో ఉన్నారు, ನಮ್ಮ కన్నడదಲ್ಲೇ ఉన్నారు. అండ్ దెన్ దట్ క్యారెక్టర్ కాళిదాస క్యారెక్టర్ సో ఈస్ ఓన్లీ క్యారీ ఆన్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్ దట్ script because before I did the Jogi, that did Yogi, the Prabhas Garu, and then that character like emotion. This character also is a totally emotion. There's cult emotion. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ದಲ್ಲ ಮಗ, ಅದೇ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆ ಹುಡುಗ, ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆ, ದ ಬಾಯ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೋರ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ಅದೇನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ದಲ್ಲ ಮಗ ಅವಾಗಲೇ, ದ ಬಾಯ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೋರ್ ಸರ್, ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ suitable. You saw na that
సార్ మీరు అప్పుడు మనం బెంగళూరు వచ్చినప్పుడు ఒక టీజర్ చూపించారు. సినిమా ఇంకప్పటికి స్టార్ట్ అవ్వలా.
ఓకే,
ఒక టీజర్ చూపించారు, రష్.
yes sir.
అది అప్పుడు మీరు అనుకున్నప్పటికీ ఇప్పుడు ఫైనల్ అవుట్పుట్ చూసినప్పుడు
yes sir,
మీకు ఆయన పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ కానీ సినిమా అవుట్పుట్ కానీ ఎలా అనిపించింది సార్?
yes, nice sir, nice, really nice.
Prem sir, is it how tough or how was your interaction with Sanjay sir and Shilpa ma'am when you went with the script, or interaction? I mean, how they get into the board. I want to know that background, or you were nervous on that day, or how was their reaction?
Sorry.
To meet
Let
them?
me answer this question.
Okay,
it was
please,
tough
darling.
for us. It was not tough for him.
Okay.
Because his expectations were so high. He's such a passionate director. He would not compromise on anything. So I have taken the carte blanche and answered your question. He was never nervous. We were nervous.
Oh.
సంజయ్ సార్,
He used to say, "The shot is okay. Magna, why don't we do one more?" And I was like, "Anna, what was wrong in that shot? It's so good, but hey, idiot, light is not. One more." Okay.
But we want Prem sir also to say something, his first interaction and convincing them, during the shot. He's looking a little bit more nervous. He's a captain of the ship.
No, madam, I don't nervous.
Okay.
Because I know the script, I know how to make. That's all I know very well. So God grace, I don't know. So I'm not like that
Okay,
kind of
great.
man. So little bit. So, but I explain Dhruva pure Kannada.
Okay.
It's a ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆ. ಸೊ ಧ್ರುವಂಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗ, ನನ್ನ ಹುಡುಗ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ನೋಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಮೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್, ಮೈ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಆಲ್ ಮೂವೀಸ್.
Hmm.
ಧ್ರುವ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೂವಿನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಜೆಲ್ ಆಯಿತು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಒಂದು ಶಿಲ್ಪಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಫೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಹಂಗೇನೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದವರು.
Okay,
ಶಿಲ್ಪಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕನ್ನಡದವರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆಯವರು. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರೇಮ್ ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಎಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಇಷ್ಟು ಇದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ತುಂಬ ತುಂಬ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್, ತುಂಬ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಂಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಗರ್ಲ್, ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅವರು ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ವಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚಂದ ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಮೇಡಮ್. ದೆನ್
Sanjay sir.
ಬಾಬಾ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಶಿವರಾಜ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಶಿವಣ್ಣ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಸು, ನೋ ಹಸು, ಕೌ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯುಮ್ಯಾನಿಟಿ, ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಾಬಾ,
Oh.
that kind of pure yes that pure nothing
soul.
inside,
Yeah.
kuch bhi nahi hai, nothing. Okay,
It is very
coming
similar.
and shooting spot, and then once he'll shooting, you don't believe, one fight shoot, blast, it can blast, I'll hit there and then hit there, okay, and then hit there, 3 place, his blood is running on spot, 1 2 straight blood is down. I told Baba, please let him lift. I'm pack up करता हूँ, आप जाओ बाबा प्लीज, आई एम रियली वेरी सॉरी बाबा. नहीं क्यों, वाई, नहीं मैं ठीक हूँ प्रेम, आप करो, चलो
Spirit.
यार, what is this
Great.
with Ryan,
That's the spirit he has.
with Ryan, no आप काम करो प्रेम सर, no don't, आई कुछ भी नहीं यार, ये क्या हो गया, इतना देखा है, चलो यार आप काम करो, मेरे बारे में छोड़ो, आप काम करो, ऐसा है बाबा. That's why I love you Baba.
Really, sir, you're an inspiration.
Is inspiring
He
an
is.
Indian any actors, inspiring Indian any actors, and then any makers is only inspiring.
That's true.
Yes,
We
really.
agree.
Sanjay
Really
sir.
great.
Yeah, sir. Here, sir. Sir, you select always a good roles and entertain the audience. What was